Morning. This one is a J advanced question. Here more than one option may be correct. If a plus b equal to pi by 3 and cos a plus cos b equal to 1, then cos a minus b, option A, cos a minus b equal to 1 by 3, modulus of cos a minus cos b equal to root 2 by root 3, cos a minus b equal to minus 1 by 3, modulus of cos a minus cos b equal to 1 by 2 root 3. So you just look at all four options. Two options says about cos a minus b. Two options says about modulus of cos a minus cos b. So here from the given information we have to find cos a minus b, then we have to find modulus of cos a minus cos b, then we will get to know about the answer. Okay, first I am taking this given equation and simultaneously you just remember a plus b equal to pi by 3, cos a plus cos b equal to 1. Here cos a equal to 1 minus cos b. See, anyhow I need to bring cos a minus b. Okay, now this cos a, see we have this formula cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. We can use these two formulas here. This left side will become 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1, 2 sin square b by 2. Here 2 can be taken out. 2 into cos square a by 2 minus sin square b by 2 equal to plus 1. Now cos, it is in the form of cos square a minus sin square b. So we have another formula cos square a minus sin square b equal to cos a plus b into cos a minus b. There is a formula cos square a minus sin square b equal to cos a plus b into cos a minus b. Okay, now we can use this formula here. Instead of a by 2 is there. Instead of b by 2 is there. So this a will be replaced by a by 2, b will be replaced by b by 2. We can bring this 2 to right side. So this right side will be 1 by 2. Here in left side cos a by 2 plus b by 2 into cos a by 2 minus b by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now we have value for a plus b. A plus b equal to pi by 3, 60 degree. So here it is a plus b by 2. So it will be replaced by 30 degree. We know very well cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Hence cos of a minus b by 2, cos of a minus b by 2 equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, simultaneously we can square cos square a minus b by 2 equal to 1 by 3. Now I am going to use this formula 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. There is a formula, we can use it. Now this theta is going to be replaced by a minus b. We can replace theta by a minus b. This left side will become 1 plus cos of a minus b 2 cos square a minus b by 2. Already we have value for cos square a minus b by 2. It is 1 by 3. We can replace it here. So it will be 2 by 3. Now you just see, take this one to right side. Then cos a minus b equal to 2 by 3 minus 1. So minus 1 by 3 will come. It is there in option C. So option C is correct. And we have to check that option B and D are correct or not. Okay. For that, we need to find cos A minus cos B. Okay, see, simultaneously we can do that also. Okay, see, I am taking that A plus B equal to pi by 3. See, there is an equation A plus B equal to pi by 3. Here we can find cos A plus B, and we have value for cos A minus B. Through cos A plus B and cos A minus B, we can bring modulus of cos A minus cos B. Here cos A plus B equal to, formula is there, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Here cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. And cos A minus B formula, cos A minus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, and we have value for cos A minus B, that is minus 1 by 3, so can be equated to minus 1 by 3. Now I am going to verify option B and D. So modulus of cos A minus cos B is there, so from the square we can start. Modulus of cos A minus cos B the whole square will be equal to cos square A plus cos square B minus 2 cos A cos B. Okay, now what we have to do? This cos square A plus cos square B, squares should be eliminated. So what we have to do? Once again I am taking the given equation, cos A plus cos B equal to 1. Square cos square A plus cos square B plus 2 cos A cos B equal to 1 square 1. Hence here cos square A plus cos square B equal to 1 minus 2 cos A cos B. Call it is equation number 1. See, here we can use it. This cos square A plus cos square B could be replaced by 1 minus 2 cos A cos B. So here we get 1 minus 2 cos A cos B. Another one minus 2 cos A cos B is there. We can add these two terms. So here it is 1 minus 4 cos A cos B. Now we need to find cos A cos B. Okay, what can we do? You just add these two equations. Call it is equation number 2 and equation number 3. These two terms will get cancelled. So equation 2 plus 3 implies, equation 2 plus 3 implies 2 cos A cos B equal to, here 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 2 cos A cos B equal to 1 by 6. Cos A cos B equal to 1 by 12. Can be substituted here. 1 minus 4 into 1 by 12. 1 minus 1 by 3. Modulus of cos A minus cos B the whole square equal to 2 by 3. Now we can find square root. Modulus of cos A minus cos B equal to root 2 by root 3. So it is also there. It is there in option B. So option B is also correct. Hence option C and option B both are correct. That's all.